Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to view your macros on your spreadsheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So first, open your Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. First method to view your macros or your spreadsheet macro is by going to the menu data. So we are going to search here in this ribbon for the menu data or the menu view. Excuse me, we should go to the menu view here. And as you can see, we have all these sections. So now there is a section that is called macros, and there is this button here. And if we expand it, we will see there is a button called view macros. So I'm going to click on view macros, and here as you can see this is my macros list. So this is the first method. The second one is by going to the developer mode. So if you don't have the developer mode, all you have is to go to file, and here we will go to options and go after that to ribbon or customize ribbon here. When you click on the customize ribbon, you will find these two columns. So we are interested on customize ribbon. So now we are going to search for the developer mode. So make sure that the developer mode is checked in. So check on it and click OK. And now I'm here in the developer mode that is added in this ribbon. And now, as you can see, in the first section that is called code, there is something called macros. So I'm going to click on the macro. And as you can see, here you will view your macros list. So basically that's it. Those are the ways to view your macros. Thank you for watching and goodbye.